Hi, everyone. Hope everything's well with all of you. A little different approach. Okay, so we sent healing to you in many forms. Pain be gone. Very powerful. It actually knocked out some stones off my staff that I made with the crystals. They with the power and force, they pop right off. And then we also did stress be gone. But I thought about doing some a little of Native Indian, but well, my side of the family is from the South American, the Akawaks. They're still around though, yeah. So like a ritual for awakening, clear out self-doubt and fear. People still fear things in life. I don't fear anything. There's no fear. You gotta take that fear out of you. Take it out. Because you don't want fear in your life. You want and self-doubts. A lot of people suffer from self-doubt. You gotta pull yourself together and understand that life is a lot different than you think. But healing you is not as easy as it can be. Now you saw in the pain be gone. I sweat like crazy because that's a lot of energy coming. It's absorbing the energy and sending it out and expelling it out to you, and you pulling it out of you so you can feel good again. It takes a lot. So this is just a little chit chat with you on maybe doing a ritual using a drum, like a bahia drum. A bahia drum is a deeper drum. I can show you. Hold on. Yeah. So this is a shaman rattle. This is made by an Indian. This is specially made. This has sacred stones in there. Like its fur too. And this is a bahia drum. The rattler, most people can use anything. So this is a bahia. This is made in the United States. This is like a with this drum, certain frequencies out of this drum can help soothe you. Now, I use this to take out evil spirits out of the house. There's a video on that. It's older. I made it back in 2021, so it's a little different than you'll normally see from me. This is considered a hand drum. You can use a mallet, a small mallet. That's what this is. I can chant with it, say the ancient words, but see, there's an awakening to cleanse and get away self-doubt and fear. A lot of people suffer from fear. And I can hypnotize you and take the fear out of you. If you want, with your permission, we can do that. You want fear to be released. You want fear to be gone for good. You want fear to escape. You do not want fear in your life. Fear can bring the other side to torment you. If you fear them, they can torment you. If you don't fear them, you can stand up to them. That's also goes for bullies too. Bullies not only with children, adults can be bullies. So you don't want them in your life. You want to be fear free. Okay, so that's the drum. And the rattle, the heel. Uh-oh. So, self-doubt is not good. Try to be more confident in yourself. Try to believe in what you believe in. Believe in yourself is the best aspect. Because self-doubt is not going to help you. A lot of people will say, well, you don't believe me? Well, it's up to you. Well, because they shouldn't say it like that. If you can't believe in them, that's they may have told you too many lies. You know, compulsive liar. A compulsive liar is a person they just lie all the time. Everything's a lie. And a pathological liar makes up stories to make it sound so real you actually believe it actually happened that way. And that's negative energy. You want to keep away from people like that too. You want to have positive energy, positive people. That's the way it is. Positive people. You take a deep breath and you push out the negative people out. Then take it out. And then you want positive energy, positive energy, positive energy, positive energy, positive energy, energy. All fears, go away. We don't want to hear. Fear be gone. Fear be gone. Fear go away. Fear go away. Self-doubt, go away. Self-doubt, go away. Self-doubt, go away. Fear be gone. Self-doubt, go away. Self-doubt, go away. Confidence is what you want. Self-doubt, go away. Self-doubt, go away. Confidence. Positive attitude. Positive attitude. And that's what you need in life. You need to be positive. You need to be whole. You need to be smart. You need to have the right attitude in life. You need to be who you are and who you could be. Because you are what matters, is you is what counts. And you are important. Just don't forget that. Thanks again for watching.